Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your black girls vitamin subscription. Okay, so basically the cancellation is very easy. First of all, you need to visit on the official website like blackgirlvitamins.co, and you need to log in into your account. Okay, and once you logged in into your account, you will see this kind of window. You need to tap on your profile icon at the very top side, and once you tap on this option it will show your account details. And now you need to click on manage subscription button, and once you select manage subscription it will pop up this kind of window. On this window you will see your subscription, your order details, your membership details. Okay, and you need to select subscription, and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription very easily. This is the best and the easy way to cancel your subscription with black girls vitamins. Okay, now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.